Again, in a documentary on the rise of the superbugs in 2012, they interviewed a young man in his early 20s about his incident where he got hit by a slow-moving train, which left him with an open wound on his leg. The surrounding people had laid him on the dirty ground, which consumed of rubbish, feces, and other unknown rubble. Having an open wound, this allowed bacteria to enter his body. Soon he found that he had contracted a superbug, and that his leg had to be amputated. This represents how easy it is for people to get infected by deadly superbugs caused by simple accidents while travelling overseas, from the smallest paper cut on your finger to an open wound caused by a train accident. The documentary Rise of the Superbugs have gave us numerous examples of how the use of antibiotics have caused many problems than it has solved. Another issue that has risen from the use of antibiotics is the complication of reversing the resistance. The challenge of antibiotic resistance in 1988 stated how farmers have found an inexpensive alternative for encouraging animal growth and protecting fruit trees by using antibiotics. In this case, they would have these animals and plants would be called genetically modified foods. These animals and plants have been modified to improve their growth, taste, hygiene, and resistance to the insects and diseases. The use of antibiotics have caused an uproar in the farming industry, to how farms are feeding antibiotics to offset crowding and the bad sanitation of animals, which in this case makes human diseases harder to cure. This gives us an example of how the use of antibiotics have not only caused many problems to us humans but also animals, rather than how many it has solved.